Welcome to MTD Technical Corner. I'm here talking to Ryan. Welcome to the show, Ryan.
Hello.
From Eurospark.
Yes.
Brilliant. We're going to be talking about wire erosion machines. Is that correct?
Correct.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So tell me about, first of all, what is a wire erosion machine? Why would our customers want one?
Okay, it's essentially a profile cutter. You can do it in 2-axis, so just doing straight profile machining, or you can also have the UV involved for doing taper cuts as well.
So is that a 5-axis machine then, or is it just 3-axis?
5-axis, but really only 2 are moving at one time.
So you can do kind of tapers and forms like that, but not fully 5-axis?
Yeah, correct.
Brilliant. So what are the kind of applications of this kind of wire machine?
So again, it is a profile cutter. We have customers who use it for making punches and dies for molds. We've got some customers who use it for sort of making very intricate decorative parts for clocks. General toolroom can use it for machining out like dowel pins for press tools. The range of use is sort of unlimited, really.
So there's a lot of competition in this space. Why should someone pick a Joemars machine?
Well, I think I said to you before, I don't think you can buy bad machines now. Sort of like cars, they're all going to be good. They all really do the same thing. But I think where Eurospark and the Joemars brand sort of stand out is we've been around for 30 years. Joemars has been sold in this country for that length of time. It's a well-established brand now. It's got good coverage, and we've got a really good relationship with the manufacturers of the machine. I can talk to the guy who designed this machine almost up to 3-4 o'clock every day if I want. And I suppose where other suppliers have fallen down in the past is sort of putting 24 hours between communications, and that's where things don't really work out then.
So if you've got a weird customer problem, for example,
Yeah.
you can call them up and say, look, I've got this weird problem. As long as before Taiwanese time, 11 p.m., then he'll get back to you, or she'll get back to you. And that's a fantastic service from the head office. And obviously you're a family company as well, is that correct?
Only a small family concern, but we have 3 engineers sort of in-house. We've got another starting in January. So we've got a good base of support. We're able to help out any problems, whether it's an applications, technical problem, or a breakdown even, which are rare. So less than 10% of our business is servicing and repairs on machines, because they are just reliable workhorses.
So you sell obviously good wire erosion machines, but your focus is the after-sales support and the engineering experience.
Yeah,
that sounds like a great package. What are the benefits of buying a Joemars machine though?
Well, those points really. If you've got problems, you talk to me or one of the other engineers. You can call me up on Saturday morning if you've got an issue. And
so you're easy to get hold of?
Yeah, I'm easy to contact. I'm quite happy to give you my personal number. And I think that sort of personal level of interaction with customers sort of speaks wonders when you've got an operator who's in the mire. He just wants to talk to somebody now to help, which I think does good for our machine.
Because I think everyone's been there where they need to get parts out the door, and there's some problem outside of their control that they don't have any control over, and they just need to call someone now, which is it's a really nice touch. Yeah, fantastic. And also the Joemars control, it's a Joemars control, and Joemars motors, I assume. So the machine is manufactured by the company, and also the control system as well. So there's no problem where a manufacturer will wash their hands of a problem and say, look, it's not us, it's a control.
No, they have had it in the past using another control. That control was dropped by its manufacturer, and then they've got machines in the field that have a control no longer supported. So they're sort of trying to keep away from that now by bringing it in-house.
Which if you're a successful business, you want to be around for the long run, and long-term support is a really big problem in software and hardware, and obviously with these kinds of machines as well. That's fantastic. So how do you program a Joemars wire erosion?
So again, with most things EDM, most of the hard bit is not done on the EDM machine. So the programming on this will be handled by a CAD/CAM package. We supply BobCAD with machines, but we often find most of our customers already have their own CAD in-house anyway. Often it's already got the wire function there, ready to go, but if they don't, they can just contact their sort of CAD provider who will give them the wire seat. And it's just a case of just sort of slightly adapting the post-processor to suit our machine.
So it's just about posting out G-code and M-code?
Yeah, just
then
standard
your wire erosion machine can read?
That's it.
That's fun. That sounds really obviously quite simple and easy to use. And I guess most people will have a cam system nowadays, hopefully.
Yeah. So it quite easily slots in. You can stand at the machine and program if you want, but for most sort of complicated forms,
you don't want to be doing that. You want to be using your cam system.
Stand longhand doing it anymore. So that's why people have software for it.
And obviously the burning question on everyone's minds if we've got to this part of the video, do you have stock in the UK?
We do. So we received our latest shipment, if you like. We've got a 4 series machine in stock now. We do actually have 2 pre-owned machines that we took in Part X as well. So we've had existing customers had our machine for sort of 11 or 12 years and chopped it in against a new one. So we've got 2 machines that have been fully refurbished and that are ready for resale now.
So you've got pre-owned machines in stock. You also do a part exchange program, is that correct?
So a lot of times we have customers who've had a machine and they're looking to sort of upgrade it and maybe get a bigger one. We'll always take the Joemars machines back. It's our sort of bread and butter machine. We can still support them. And even now we're looking after machines that are sort of 20 years old and we can still support them. We can still get spares. I've touched on the sort of good relationship we have with Joemars, and we'll always offer a trade-in on the machine. So
it's all about the longevity and the reliability and also the relationship you have with your customers. If you've been supporting them for 20 years, it's a long time to support them.
Yeah, and I sort of hope in the fact that we can part exchange our machines and people come back for a Joemars a second time around, it sort of speaks wonders of the machine.
Brilliant. And you were saying off camera, I remember you said you've got one customer bought one machine and then they came around and asked for another 3.
Yeah, last year, sort of even with COVID, we had a customer, they bought a machine, they loved it that much that they came back and ordered another 3. So they've got 4 machines in the space of a year.
That's a testament to the quality and the reliability.
I hope so.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Ryan. So if you're interested in a Joemars Wire Erosion machine, get in touch with Ryan or Graham from Eurospark. Thank you very much for coming down.
Not at all.